In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download TurboTax. Let's get started by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is your gateway to a world of useful apps and tools. Once you have the Play Store open, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed at the top of the screen. In this search bar, you need to tap it to activate it. This is where you can type in the apps or games you want to find. It's a simple yet powerful tool for accessing thousands of applications. Now type the word TurboTax into that search bar. Make sure to spell it correctly so you can find the right app. TurboTax is a trusted name in tax preparation, and finding it here is your first step towards simplifying tax season. Once you've typed in TurboTax, you'll see a list of results appear. From these, select TurboTax Tokens, file your tax return. This app is designed to guide you through the tax filing process with ease. Choosing the right version is crucial because it ensures you get the features you need for your tax situation. Now tap the Install button. This action will start the download process. Watching the progress bar can be a bit like waiting for a pot to boil. But don't worry, this is a necessary step to ensure the app is correctly installed on your device. As the download finishes, take a moment to appreciate the efficient design of modern technology. Once the download is complete, you will see an Open button appear. Go ahead and tap that button. This action will launch the TurboTax app for the first time. Upon opening the app, you'll be greeted with on-screen instructions. Just follow these instructions to continue. This guided experience is designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're new to using such apps, you should find it manageable. Remember, these steps are in place to help you set everything up correctly and make the most of TurboTax's features. By following these steps, you've successfully downloaded TurboTax on your Android device. This process ensures that you're ready to tackle your taxes with a reliable partner at your side. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to revisit the steps, ensuring that each is completed as described. Downloading apps like TurboTax is an essential skill in our digital age. It empowers you to take control of your finances with confidence. By following these straightforward steps, you've made a significant step towards simplifying your tax filing process. It's this kind of proactive approach that saves you time and stress in the long run. That's all for today's video. You've done a great job navigating the download process. Keep exploring and using technology to make life a little bit easier. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.